What's up guys, it's Shannon from SP88. I've got an Audi A1 here and it's got an alternator charging fault. The customer called me and asked me to bring an alternator along to change the alternator, and then he had a friend come around and change the brakes, and he done some basic testing and found out the alternator had 14 volts at the connection here, but when you use your multimeter to test the voltage, for example from here to the body, getting 12 volts. So if you check from here to here, you get 14 volts, yeah, with the multimeter. But if you check the voltage without the engine running, everything lines up, there's no issues at all. Now I wanted to just show you guys before I do what I think needs to be done. Hold on. This is my multimeter here, right? And that's my probe. See, 12.18. We'll go over here. 12.17. 12.1819. Okay. I'm going to start the engine now. You're going to see the issue. Yeah, engine's running. Move this over to here. 14 volts. So, what do you think could be wrong? I think it's an earthing fault. So I started looking. I checked the battery at the back. All the connections are correct, and the ground. Let's quickly show you. So from here to here, there's no voltage drop. That's correct as well, right? So coming back around here, I was looking for the earth strap for the engine, which is here. Okay, so down there, see a big white, maybe 30mm nut, and a lot of earth points down there. Time to get in your phone, maybe. Right, that's the one. But here, looks like something is going on. You know, like it's a little bit of slag. Yeah, that's an overheated connection. So I'm going to take that apart, clean it up, and I think that's going to fix the issue. So I tried to undo it, and it was tight. So that thing really welded itself. Yeah. So even this is still stuck. Yeah, we've got that off now. Right, so got an overheated connection there. I'm gonna clean that up. This now needs a new bolt, so we have to order a new bolt from TPS. But what I'm gonna do for now is try and bolt this to something else, just to see. Like this alternator, for example, I'm gonna bolt it there, and then we're gonna see how it works. So I'm just undoing this bolt here. You can see. Right, and I haven't cleaned my thing up yet actually, so I need to go get my wire brush and some wire wool, clean this connection up. Obviously I don't have this bolt now, so the customer's going to order one, and then he can get it, it's one mechanic to swap it over if he wants, or he can call me back. Alright, so I got my file out. That's as good as it's going to be for this job. Okay then, so that's how it's looking. So let's fire up this engine again and do our test. I don't know if it's fixed yet. Same test. Whoa, fixed straight away, mate. That was showing 12. We want to go back to the video and double check. So we got perfect. Job done. Now my fix might not be the same as your fix. This is the fuse for the alternator here as well. So this fuse can blow and cause you to lose voltage. So if you do this test like I'm doing it now, it's a voltage drop across the fuse. If there was a voltage drop and this fuse was broken, from here to there it would show 14 volts or 12 volts. Alright. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I fixed this problem for the customer. I couldn't buy an alternator because I believe what his previous mechanic had said, which meant that the alternator could not have been faulty. And here we are, successful. You know, I'm happy. Happy as Larry, mate.